So the judge in NBA Youngboy's California gun possession case has ruled the rapper's lyrics cannot be used against him in trial. Now, that is actually a good thing because, they're only targeting rappers. There have been people that said many things in songs are, acting or whatever, but you're going to use that against them because if they doing it to rappers, then who's to say they can't do it to anybody else, right? And I noticed they only want to target black men with this. They're not doing it to nobody else. This is a clear violation of freedom of speech. Now, the NBA Youngboy's trial for gun possession, began on Tuesday, July the 12th, in a ruling. It's in a court. Judge R. Gary Klausner of the Central District of California shut down the prosecution's attempts to use the Baton Rouge, Louisiana rapper's lyrics against him as evidence. Now, NBA Youngboy's defense team has been trying to stifle the government's plan to use lyrics in courts for weeks. It says specifically the lyrics to songs Gunsmoke, they said, and Life Support. It says mention the type of gun. It said that, and FN, it said the rapper allegedly was arrested with. Okay, they said the topic is the use of the song lyrics in the court case has been controversial. It said recently the prosecution in YSL RICO case tried to use violent lyrics in their argument to deny Young Thug and Gunna bond. It say in May, New York passed a law limiting the use of lyrics in court. Now they said that they reached out to NBA Youngboy's lawyer. It say his label reps and the U.S. District Attorney for comment. So when you say U.S. District Attorney, he got a Fed case. It said the California case stems from a situation where NBA Youngboy was arrested in L.A. on March 22nd, 2021. In the incident, police attempted to pull the rapper over in order to arrest him on an outstanding federal warrant after he left his Los Angeles residence. NBA Youngboy reportedly led the police on a short pursuit in his vehicle before exiting the SUV and running on foot. Police used K9 dogs to eventually locate the artist and reportedly discovered a FN, it's a .45 caliber pistol in his car. And I said a magistrate in California granted the rapper a bond. However, the Louisiana judge ruled he be kept behind bars due to a pending gun case in Baton Rouge. It said last June, it was revealed that the FBI codenamed their case against Youngboy Never Free Again. Boy, the FBI, they ain't ish for that, boy. Boy, they messed up talking about Never Free Again. Man. So they say in October 2021, NBA Youngboy, they say, was granted a bond and placed on house arrest. Now, NBA Youngboy still has a gun case in Louisiana, which stems from him being arrested in September of 2020 at a video shoot where several guns were discovered. He got a break in that case back in March. Say when the judge threw out video evidence against the rapper. But see, this is my issue with all this gun cases and gun possession and all of that. Last time I checked, there was a Second Amendment to the Constitution of the United States. Last time I checked, many of these states, I know California, they draconian with their freaking gun laws, but in certain states, you can literally walk around open carry. I know Texas, open carry, Ohio, open carry, right? But yeah, you arresting people. Now they're saying, oh, he had a felony XYZ, so he shouldn't have had a gun. Well, even if they're around guns, they'll be saying, oh, we're going to arrest you on this, arrest you on that. Them brothers are always being watched. And the rappers, they always being watched. Now, I would say, if you made it out the hood, why do you want to still be around the hood? Because, like I said, that you'd be the main target. Because you're making that money, XYZ. They watching you all kind of ways. If you're paying your taxes, if you're filing your taxes. I mean, all kind of the ways they watching you to see if they can mess y'all up. A long time ago, Chameleon said there's a thing called the hip hop police. And it's true. And they are state police, they are local, and they're federal. Because you see so many rappers going to jail. I think there was a picture put up as of recently. I think almost 50 rappers are locked up right now. It's like, and I noticed all these rappers being locked up underneath the current Biden administration. I don't do too many politics here on this channel, but, Biden and the Democrats supposed to be black people friends. And it's amazing how all these black people being prosecuted underneath the Democrats. Just want to point that out. Because, you're going to have these rappers and you're going to have, the Charlemagne the Gods and Jay-Z's and all them coming out talking about vote for these people, right? They the main one in entertainment talking about vote for these people. you know. But these people don't affect them, but they're getting checks because they're getting federal funds to promote certain things out there. But NBA Youngboy got a break in the case. Now my thing is NBA Youngboy, y'all know y'all situation. If you got a felony, bro, you just leave the gunplay alone, man. Like, what is going on with y'all, bruh? Leave the gunplay alone. So you don't hear Drake getting in those issues. You don't hear J. Cole getting those issues. You don't hear Kendrick Lamar getting those issues. You don't even hear Kanye getting those issues. Y'all always want to try to run the streets when you out the community like that. Why? You had to deal with that at one point in time. You can't leave that alone. But I guess one of them things, you could take you out the hood, but you can't get the hood out of you. Like, and y'all gonna suffer for that reason too. And that's why a lot of y'all go to jail. Like, who you proving yourself to, bruh? Them dudes you hanging around, who you proving yourself to? Why? There's no reason for that. Them same dudes want to get out of the hood too. But yeah, you gonna do things to put yourself in jail. For what? You making millions of dollars and now you gonna go to jail? Like that. I don't understand y'all. But yeah, y'all let me know, what y'all think about NBA Youngboy here. Like I said, it's good the judge dropped that out his case, but y'all rappers, man, y'all gotta leave the hood alone, bro. Leave the hood alone and stop discussing actual crimes and actual places in your music. Doesn't make sense.